welcome back to the channel. I hope everyone had a good, long Memorial Day weekend. Hope everyone remembered what it's actually about. So it's going to be a lot of cruise control at nice easy speeds for a while, because a little update on me, I just about cut my finger off. Not really, I mean just about hit the bone. I was trying to clean a chef's knife at home, smoked a bunch of ribs yesterday, and the knife slipped and went just about to the bone on my pointer finger on my right hand, so I got 6 stitches in it, which I thought was excessive. The stitch lady, I don't know what you call that person. I know she wasn't a doctor, but the stitch lady, she jammed as many, maybe they get paid by the stitch, I'm not sure, but they shoved 6 goddamn stitches in this cut. I'll try to get some photos for the channel, right? Shashow, and right, shashow. Yeah, so that was my Monday afternoon. Just going to the ER to get stitches and that. So yeah, I hope everyone else had a better, safer weekend than I did. So yeah, pulling the front brake in kind of sucks right now. So you know, just can't go too fast. Also, should probably get some larger gloves, because my finger's all bandaged up, and boy, these gloves sure hurt it. That's okay. That's what ibuprofen is for. But anyways, update for the Triumph Bonneville project. Excuse me. Update on the Triumph. So I got the rear end completely cleaned up, ready to grind down and weld in some new rear suspension tabs. I retrofitted some old rear shocks off of a Dyna onto the Triumph, but got the rear end completely cleaned up for the cafe racer-ness of it. Here's a picture. Shashow. It is coming along nicely. Got all the wiring ripped off of the bike. Not gonna do an ignition coil, because right now it's a dual coil ignition on it, and I'm gonna go strictly kick only. So I found a company that sells classic Bonneville parts. I think it's called the Bonneville Shop. So I'm gonna go through them for all of the well, for whatever they don't have, I'll have to outsource, but they basically got everything I'm gonna need. So makes it easy, one-stop shop, and they're really well priced. I mean, an entire Lucas wiring harness, I mean top to bottom, on a classic Bonneville, I think it's only $150. I don't know how you beat that price. So yeah, I'll be going through them for most of everything that I'll need. I'm gonna need to obviously retrofit some things. The front end, I'm still debating whether or not to use like a Gixxer inverted front end on it, which is what I want to do. It's a 49mm front tubes, inverted of course. I think honestly it would be, oddly enough, the cheapest way to go, because you can get Gixxer front ends for a few $100 in really good shape, and you can get some really cool gold forks. the update on the Triumph Bonneville. I know I promised a walk-around video of it. Well, I was going to do that last night. Actually, I had the GoPro all set up in the garage for it, but then I decided to try to cut my finger off. So that's where that went. But yeah, so just a quick video this morning. I'm on my way to work, so I thought I'd chime in with a little quick update on the Triumph. Also, I'm gonna dub the project Clyde, because, you know, Bonneville, Bonnie and Clyde. Huh? Yeah, it's great. It's a good nickname. So I'm gonna call it the Clyde project. I'm gonna end up making a playlist as I slowly work on it. Mostly, probably be a whole lot of just pictures. But when I kick it over for the first time after I get the coils all sorted out, hey, that's pretty fun. When I get the coils all sorted out and get the magneto in place and be able to kick it over, and that'll be a video. But so yeah, super exciting, super cool. I'm excited about the project. I get my stitches out in a week, so it's not going to affect the trip to Silverado, California next month. Should be plenty well and healed up for that. But yeah, beautiful morning this morning. Clouds are all pink over there for the sunrise, right over there. Should be a good day. I don't know what we got going on at work, but I am hoping it is not much. So, thanks for tuning in. Like, comment, subscribe. I really appreciate you guys tuning in and watching my updated videos, and helps me out a lot. Lets me know that I'm doing something worthwhile. Let me know if you like the name Project Clyde. Anyways, take it easy, ride safe, keep the shiny side up, and I will see you when I see you.